Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good. Welcome to our Max class. What is day today, children? It is 5th of September, that is Teachers' Day, right? Why do we celebrate Teachers' Day, children? It is the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Okay? He was born on September 5th, 1888 in Tamil Nadu. He was first Vice President of India as well as he was second President of India. Why do we celebrate Teachers' Day on his birthday, children? Because one day some of his students and friends requested him to allow them to celebrate his birthday. In reply, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan said, "Instead of celebrating my birthday separately, it would be my proud privilege if September 5th is observed as Teachers' Day." From then onwards, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan birthday is observed as Teachers' Day all across India. Moving to our class, children. In the last class, we have started our chapter 2, that is polynomials and factorizations. Yes or no, children? We have taken introduction part. What we have learned there? Terms of polynomials, that is monomial, right? We have taken types of polynomial, that is monomial, binomial, trinomial and multinomial. Yes, and we have taken degree of polynomials we have taken, right? Still, what topics we have taken, children? We have learned what are polynomials and what are non-polynomials. In today's class, we are going to take exercise 2.1 third bit. Write the coefficient of x cube in each of the following. So I am going to explain first bit, children. You have to do the rest sums. Okay, now see here. The question is x cube plus x plus 1. They are asking coefficient of x cube. That means coefficient means what, children? Number. Okay, the number which belongs to x cube. Okay, so where is x cube here? So the first term is our x cube. Okay, so what is the number for x cube? There is no number. If there is no number, the number will be what, children? It will be 1. So what is the coefficient of x cube? So coefficient of x cube is 1. Okay na, children? Okay, now I am taking example by my own, children. Okay, you no need to copy that. Okay, so see here, if the number is like x square 2x square plus 1. Now here there is no x cube, right? The question is coefficient of x cube na, children. So here, do we have x cube? No, we don't have x cube. So what coefficient of x cube will be? Coefficient of x cube is 0. Okay now? Okay now, children? I hope you all have understood it. Now, in your assignment question, that is, do this. Page number 30, do this first bit. Write the degree of each of the following polynomials. Okay na, children? So, here the highest degree is what? 3. Here highest degree is what? 2. Here highest degree is what? If variable p is there, what will be the power, children? It will be 1. So, the highest degree will be 1. For 2, the highest degree will be 0. Because if variable is there, then only it will be 1. Okay, there is no variable here, so it is 0, children. Okay, now minus 5x y square. See here, fifth one, minus 5x y square. X, what is the power of x, children? X power is 1. Okay, y is what? 2. First of all, is it a polynomial? Yes, it is a polynomial, children. It is a polynomial. Okay. Now, what is the degree? The degree will be what? X power is 1. Y is 2. Overall, how many powers are there? 3. Here, why I said this is a polynomial? When I said x and y should not be, right? Yes or no? So, minus 5x plus y square. If it is a binomial, okay, then the x and y should not be children. Okay, if it is a monomial, then it can be x, y, z, then it is a polynomial itself. This is a not, it is not a polynomial. This is not a polynomial, but this is a polynomial. Okay, are you understanding, children? It should not have plus or minus, okay, separately. Okay, minus 5x y square, it is a polynomial. If it is minus 5x plus y square, okay, so these are two different terms. It is a binomial. Okay, so it is a non-polynomial. It is a polynomial. Okay, and the degree will be what? We have for x power is 1, for y power is 2. So the degree is 3. Okay now children, are you understanding? Now see here, sixth one. 6x cube y square z. Okay, now what is the degree here? Degree is 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. So the degree is 6. And it is a polynomial, children. It is a polynomial. Okay. See here. If I write 6 plus x cube y square plus z. So it is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. Are you all understanding, children? I hope you all have understood it. Okay, this already you have written as assignment, children. Most of them have written wrong. Because of that reason I have explained it. Okay now, are you understanding, children? So third bit, coefficient of x square also you have understood, and this example also you have understood. Okay, now moving to our example 1. See here, children, what is your example 1? Your example 1 is p of x. We'll pronounce it as p of x, children. Okay now, p of x is equals to x plus 2. Okay, find p of 1, p of 2, p of minus 1 and p of minus 2. Okay, what are the zeros polynomial? 0 means the answer should be 0, children. Then only it is a 0 polynomial. The answer should be 0, then only it is said to be 0 polynomial. Okay now. Now see here, we'll start now. Given example 1, given p of x is equals to x plus 2, I have written. Okay, first we have to find p of 1. So I am going to write p of 1. Now what is x? X is nothing but 1. What is x? X is nothing but 1. In place of x, what I am going to write? 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is nothing but 3. Simple na, children? X is nothing but 1. Now p of 2, if I take p of 2 x plus 2. Sorry, p of x is equals to same question I have written. Okay, now p of 2 is equals to, moving to second one, children. Okay, p of 2. Okay, now I have copied question again. P of x is equals to x plus 2. Now p of 2, in place of x, what we are going to write, children? 2. So 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 is nothing but 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay, now again I have to copy the question. P of x is equals to x plus 2. Now we have completed 1, 2. Now we are going to take minus 1. P of minus 1 is equals to. Now in place of x, what we are going to write? Minus 1. So x minus 1 plus 2. Minus 1 plus 2 is what, children? It is, see here, first we have to do subtraction. Okay, subtraction is nothing but 1. Biggest number is what? 2. What is the symbol for that? Plus. So it is plus 1. Okay. Next, the last one is p of minus 2. Same question I am going to copy. P of x is equals to x plus 2. Now, p of minus 2. In place of x, what we are going to write? Minus 2. So minus 2 plus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 will give you 0. Okay, children. Now, next is our example 2. What is our example 2? Now, one more question we have to add, right? What are the zeros of the polynomial of x plus 2? Now, wherever we got 0, children? We got 0 for only p of minus 2, right? So, you should write, therefore, p of minus 2 is a 0 polynomial. That's it. Okay, children? P of minus 2 is a 0 polynomial. Okay. Okay now, children. Now, example 2. What is our example 2? They are saying find a zero polynomial. Find a zero polynomial. Example 2 children, okay. Where p of x is equals to 3x plus 1. 3x plus 1. Whenever they are saying to find zero polynomial, we have to write first given. Given p of x is equals to 3x plus 1. Okay. Now, whenever they say find a zero polynomial, what you should do? You have to take 3x plus 1 equals to 0 children. Zero polynomial will give you equals to 0. Okay. 3x plus 1. The question I have written is equals to 0. Now, 3x. Send this plus 1 to that side. So, it will be minus 1. Okay. Plus 1 when you send that side, it will be minus 1. X is equals to minus 1. Now, send this 3 to that side. Here, 3 is multiplying. If you send that side, it will be divided. Now, x is what? Minus 1 by 3. Okay, now children? Therefore, minus 1 by 3 is a zero polynomial of what? 3x plus 1. That's it. I hope you all have understood, children. Yes. So, today we have taken example 1, example 2 and coefficient of a polynomial. Okay, now children. I hope you all have understood it. Thank you, children. Have a good day.